All right, for my fourth piece of new technology, I started playing around with an app called Mural, and Mural has honestly so much stuff that I got kind of lost playing with it. Um, there's so many things you can do with this, and I want to show you just a very couple of like very simple ones that you can use. There's all kinds of templates that you can click on, and you can even do search features for them. This one was kind of neat. There's um, ones where like you can do brainstorms, you can do story plot lines, all kinds of stuff. One I thought would be kind of neat is a template they already have as like a class warm up, and this is having kids kind of put like maybe where they've been to in one color or places they want to go in another color, and just having them kind of share experiences or maybe why they would want to go somewhere and visit those kinds of places. So there's just some really cool things you can do with it. It's basically like a giant organized whiteboard, and that's what I think is kind of neat about Mural is there's so much openness to it that it almost gets a little crazy. So it definitely is going to take some playing with. This is not one you're going to want to just learn and use really quickly. It's complex and there's a lot of deep pieces to it. One of the things I kind of made a real short one for uh, collaboration. So I teach World, Honors World, and AP Euro, which is basically three classes that all vertically align to each other. And we have other World and Honors World History teachers as well. And we're going to actually do some curriculum mapping together, and we do a lot of project based learning. And so I created this, it's a project ideas map for other teachers to share their cool ideas for projects for our classes. And so I even gave a couple starter ones like for exploration, a real short kind of creative project a kid could do is they could pretend to be an explorer and they send a postcard as that explorer back home to the king that sent them. Or for scientific revolution, they could do some kind of trading card based off of that person, their ideas, philosophies, quotes, that kind of stuff. And so I thought this was just kind of a neat little instrument that you could use. Provides lots of different templates, and I think this one I would use. Again, I could use it for students doing kind of that get to know you, or you can use it just to track, and people can log in and they can put their own little postcards in. And so it could be one to one as well. So like you can give them access to this and they can like post their own ideas in some ways. So it's kind of cool. Anyway, just thought I'd share this one. Thought it was really unique and thought it was a pretty powerful tool. But again, it seems very vast, and it is one that I think you're going to need some time to play with if it's something you want to use.